Today I will be going over a summary of the introduction and glossary of the EdTPA handbook. In the introduction of the handbook, there is thorough detail of what is the purpose of the EdTPA exam and the three main foci of the exam. These three main foci are planning, instructing, and assessment. This three-triangle circle does a great job of showing the importance of the three components and how they all lead back to student learning. For planning in the EdTPA exam, you will be providing a detailed lesson plan as to what you expect your instruction and lesson to be like. The actual instruction will be videos of you teaching your students in the lesson in which the lesson plan was planned for. Finally, the assessment is you going back and reviewing your lesson plan and your instruction, how well your students reacted to the instruction, and kind of critiquing the way that you taught. An outline of the important parts or concepts of the three main components is what questions involving thinking, doing, writing, and evidence. These four parts help you question and assess your lesson plans and instruction. The EdTPA exam can either be 3 to 5 hours or 3 to 5 consecutive lessons. And once again, it will be videography of your instruction. One main quote that I felt encompassed the importance of the EdTPA exam and the introduction of the handbook was, as you develop, document, and teach your lessons, you will reflect upon the cyclical relationship among planning, instruction, and assessment with a focus on your students' learning needs. Similarly to the triangle circle showing the three main components leading back to students' needs, this is just a reminder that the EdTPA exam is an example of how you as a teacher can help your students learn the best way possible through these three main components. In the end, the introduction provides more thorough detail and explanation to these three main parts. The second part of the EdTPA handbook is the glossary. The glossary will be an important part in this exam because it shows all the academic language that is important to use in the exam and throughout the exam. Not only will this academic language be used in the exam, it will also be used throughout the credential program. These words and definitions will be continually used, and it's important to have a glossary to look back to make sure anybody taking this exam understands what words we need to use and the concepts behind them. Thank you for listening. The end.